Have you ever wondered how to choose the right guest for your apartment, your Airbnb business? I have 3 tips I want to share with you today. One of them is have a criteria. Do you want a family in your apartment? People who have young children? Is it something that can accommodate young children? Is your apartment able to accommodate dogs? If you don't want dogs or pets, make it clear in your description so that you attract the right guest into your apartment. If you want a professional, just one person, make it clear you're looking for a professional for your apartment. And then you will be attracting the rightful guest. Verification. Make sure you yourself are verified. Have your ID uploaded onto Airbnb, because it always requests us to do. And then the guests that you're targeting to attract, look out that they have as a badge that they are verified. So that means they'll have their IDs on there. Ask lots of questions. Ask them what are they coming to do, how long are they looking to stay. You will discover that this is the right or wrong guest for me. And if you like that guest, then you go ahead and accept. If you don't like, you feel that the things they are trying to do, they are going to be having a party around, they are going to be inviting lots of friends, and you don't want such a client, then you definitely decline. Would you like to know some more tips? I've created some more tips, and you really need to know about this, because this will either make or break your business, and you want your business to start well and grow. So download them today. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any other tips, if there's anything you want to share, feel free to comment in the box or inbox me. Thank you very much.